At the end of every production station, quality is what is counted. Every part, every hole, and every connection must fit perfectly. Vision Checkup ensures that no detail is overlooked, working fully automatically and reliably. Vision Checkup combines detection, inspection, and measurement in a single interface. It is intuitive, fast, and adaptable to any scenario. For example, consider a sheet metal part with multiple holes. Vision Checkup detects every contour and measures the diameter and position in seconds. The software also excels with complex and delicate components. Solder joints, individual components, and their connections are all checked simultaneously. This ensures reliability at every step of the process. Vision Checkup uses FFT metrology and can be used in all industries to detect components, edges, and distances regardless of shape, surface, or material. Results are automatically documented, exported, and integrated into higher-level systems. This keeps quality measurable and traceable. FFT Metrology Vision Checkup. Precision every second.